It doesn't get any better.
Tryfan Ridge, about to set off, just gearing up. How you feeling?
Great.
Confident?
Can't wait to get it.
What are we doing?
Getting it.
Where are we going?
Tryfan.
Tryfan Ridge, baby.
Up there to certain death.
Come on.
Don't forget to hit that like button.
like and subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. Tryfan Ridge. Let's get it. Is it what you expected?
Yeah. Not sure my body expected it.
That's because you've just had tea breakfast, hasn't it?
Yeah, didn't need that French toast.
Wow, that light's epic. Yes, Ben. Oh. Yes, mate. That's so good. You got a picture of it? Yeah. Mate, that's so good. Well done. Oh. Mate, you're smashing it.
Stand on it.
What are you saying, Ben?
Oh, fuck.
Dun, 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 dun. What do you reckon, Rich?
Yeah, sick.
Sick, eh?
Fuck.
Can you not swear on the vlog, please? Oh.
Crazy fuckers.
Crazy! Nice, Ben. You alright, Ben?
Yeah, trying to work out which way to go.
Just follow, yeah, follow up. Yeah, follow up to your left, that's it. shit. Yeah, so we've got to track that path and follow those guys. It goes straight up that gully. Holy shit. What do you think, boys? What do you think of the route?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
But you actually thought that was the summit, didn't you?
I didn't know.
I think that's the summit, Ben, not this one.
False summit.
False summit! We are going to that pinnacle up there. I think that's Adam and Eve. Sandwich.
Loving it.
Ben, here comes Ben Ragnarsson.
Champion.
Ragnar! Oh, come here, check it out, it's worth it. Come here, brother. Look, what are you saying?
Oh, Jesus.
Look at that.
It's fucking amazing.
How mega is that?
Incredible, isn't it?
And it's clear as well. When do you ever get these views? You can literally see from miles.
Funny how this weather front hovers, isn't it? Wales. Why is that? The altitude.
At least you know now that's the summit. And there's no more false ones.
Yeah, I'm just watching where they're going because it looks fucking...
I think that's the top. That's literally the guy standing on Adam and Eve. That is literally the summit right above us. Oh yes, here's Adam and Eve.
Which one's Adam and which one's piss tissue?
Adam and Eve.
You might like it.
It's pretty polished.
Go on,
Which
jump.
one's Adam and which one's Eve?
You're on, Adam.
I'm on Adam.
Jump.
Picked up a gang. One of the descent. Now team effort. We are down to 2. Ben Ragnarsson is no more. He's turned back and he's gone to the car. We've just ascended Tryfan. I'm still here with Uhtred and we are now about to conquer Bristly Ridge. Holy shit! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fucking hell, I hope they're not looking for Ben. Fuck. Actually, I can see his red bag, look.
Can you actually?
I think that's his red bag. Yeah.
Where is he?
Down there on that corner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's got to be Ben. Thanks for the invite, Rich.
I know. What a shit thing to say.
What do you reckon?
Cut that
Look at this. Look, look at that. That's where we're going. Look, you can see the dude in the back.
Oh yeah.
That's where we're headed. Oh, 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 oh. It's out the wind as well. It's fucking mega.
It's lovely around
You've
here.
literally got to climb that way. I can't really see a way up that. I might have to put the camera away for that. Looks like it goes up to the right through that gully. next obstacle. We're just following the ridge line and keeping going until we run that ridge line all the way down back to the lake and back to Ben. Yeah, that's the ridge line all the way down the top there. It's over this and then down the ridge all the way back out to the lake. Right, lads? Yeah, lovely one. Perfect. Big step up, wasn't it? My legs aren't enough. Oh. Mouse came out the house then. So we just went up the north ridge of Tryfan, down the back, up Bristly Ridge, which was amazing, up to the top of this one which had the flat table on it, I don't know what it was called, and we came down the back and up this spike here, and then we went up the back of this one and then down this ridge, and we just descended, and then we're just going to go back down the path here past the lake to the car. Absolutely mega. Still loving it. Still the way down. Perfect. Whoa! Oh, don't fall in. Oh, yes. Adventure Bros.
Oh my god.
Like and subscribe. Tryfan North Ridge in the bag.
Yeah, hit that like
Sick.
button.
Yeah, brother. Mission accomplished.
Oh, yeah, you right? Yeah, I'm good. I'd like to sit by the lake for a bit.
Cheers.
Cheers.